That day we have discussed only simple tense, right? Simple present, simple past. Done. Now let's start with continuous tense. What about present continuous? Present continuous. Yes, present continuous. What is the rule? Subject plus is, am, are plus object. I am talking about sentence when it is in active voice. Wait. Plus first form of the verb plus ing. That's all. Plus object. Now to change it into passive. Object plus is, am, are. I know what you all are doing. It's being plus third form of the verb plus by subject. Got it? Is it okay? So when the sentence is in continuous tense, that is present continuous tense. Present continuous tense. Present means present. Past means past. Got it? So is, am, are as it is. What we have done to show that sentence is still in continuous form, we have added being and then third form of the verb. Clear? Hardik? And if the sentence is in past continuous, then it's was, were plus first form of the verb ing, and we change it into object plus was, were. That is the difference. Okay? Was, were, we'll use was, were here. Rest, everything is same. Clear? Sure? Okay. What about past? Sorry, not past. Perfect tense. Now I'm going to give you collective exercise, mixed exercise. What about perfect tense? Present perfect. Present had subject plus has, have plus third form passive object has, have plus third form been. Now this time we'll add and then third form. Okay, and then plus by subject. What is the difference? Just what we have done, we have simply added been. That's all. In continuous tense, we add being, be, ing. Just keep this thing in mind. In continuous tense, we add ing, and here in perfect, we add been. That's all. Otherwise, no need to change anything else. Has, have, as it is rahega. Third form of the verb already given. So no need to change the form of verb. Got it? This is the, I think, the simplest one. Right? Done? Okay then. What about future? If will is written, then will changes to would. Subject plus will plus first form of the verb plus object. Will have been, But this is not perfect tense, na? Will be. So it is object plus will plus be. Sure? Sure? Plus third form of the verb. Are you sure? Just check. Check carefully. Those who are online. Is it correct? Means I'm not talking about only will. When models are there, any model, can, could, shall, should, whatever. No change at all. So it means I should not use be. Yes, those who are online, bache, please give answer. Yes, Avni. It is correct. Be confident. It is correct. Will means whatever the model is, okay, you will not change. Will to would, can to could. वो narration में होता है, ठीक है? If it is will, you are going to use will, can, could, whatever the model they have used. Then after that, just add be, because immediately after using this model, we cannot use third form of the verb. So that is why we introduce one more verb and then third form of the verb. Got it? Is it okay? Let's start the exercises. Take out your rough notebooks. Mixed exercise, okay? 10 sentences. Done? All? You have written the answers also? Questions also? Write down the questions. Also, 11 sentences. If you can see this, those who are online. 11 sentences. This is the 11th one. Discipline and practice build confidence. Read it and apply. What? Which? Wo we have discussed, no? That day. No, you were listening. Sit down. Sit down and write. Then we'll see. Okay? Done, Shreya? Acha, those who are online, this is for your information that from now onwards, from Saturday, you will have your class test on Google Forms for English. I'm talking about English only. No PDF will be sent. I'm going to send you a link. Okay, open that link. Attempt your test. Time will be allotted, maybe 15 minutes because MCQs. I'll give you MCQs. Okay, so 15 minutes or half an hour according to the length, right? And then you have to mark your answers, write your name, mark your answers, and send it to me. And immediately you will get the result also. Okay, you will get the results immediately. Got it? Jayant, I don't know, maybe from next week, but I am talking about class test. And shayad for revision test also we'll use Google Form. Okay? So get ready. Those who don't check the group and those who don't attempt, then that thing will be clear. Prabal, I have sent the syllabus. Check group. Hanji. कोई बात नहीं. अभी whatever you know, write it down. ठीक है? Done. Punya has started giving the answers. Okay, Punya, correct. Your first answer is correct. Prabal, for this time, test syllabus, that is the best Christmas present and tsunami. And the questions can come within the chapter also. Maybe we can choose any date, जो कि back exercise में दी ही नहीं हुई. And I hope you know that best Christmas present, there are so many years and the dates to remember. Done? Done. Okay, so let's start with the first sentence. Punya has given the answer. Her answer is correct. Now, Punya, wait. Yes, Avni. Correct. Avni's answer is correct. Those who are sitting here. Shreya, correct. Start. Shreya is saying beautiful pictures are drawn by Riddhi. Tanushka, your answer is correct. Angel, your answer is correct. Do you agree? If you think the answer is wrong, raise your hand and correct the answer. Okay, ये हमेशा practice रखना. If you think the answer is wrong, raise your hand and then give the correct answer. So you think the answer is correct. Beautiful pictures are drawn by Riddhi. Bani, your answer is not the same, na? What is your answer? Akshima, one problem is there. Just check the verb. This is draws, not dream. Wait, Anve, wait. Beautiful pictures. See, in voice, when we are going to change it into passive, make sure that you use helping verb. Helping verb is important. Helping verb plus third form of the verb always. Okay. So it is beautiful pictures are drawn by Prithvi. Next is Anil made a frame. Anve has given the answer. A frame was made by Anil. Hardik is saying this. A frame was made by Anil. Correct? Sure? Pulkit? What is your answer? Anil made a frame. They are saying the answer is a frame was made by Anil. What? Nahin. Now just see. Made. Past tense. So was. Okay? So it is no Punya, not Mekan. A frame was made by Anil. Sunil and Anil are painting the big canvas. Sardik, wait. Anmol. This time Anmol. Okay, the big canvas is being painted by Sunil and Anil. This is Anmol's answer. Hardik, your answer. By R. But big canvas is one. Canvas is one. है ना? Now we have changed the places. हमने places change की. Canvas subject बन गया अब. ठीक है? तो canvas singular है तो verb कौन सा आना चाहिए? हाँ, ठीक है? Pulkit, your answer same था कि अलग था? This is the common mistake. This is the common mistake. Whenever you change the places, interchange the places, change the verb also. Sometimes you need to change the verb. Sometimes you don't. Check करो, ठीक है? So the big canvas, it's is being Karan, not been. Being to show the continuity. They were whitewashing the wall yesterday. Pulkit. नहीं, the previous day नहीं करना. यहाँ पे yesterday, today, tomorrow. ये as it is रहता है. वो narration में change होगा. Hardik is saying the wall is being whitewashed by them. The wall were. ठीक है? Were है ना? So it is was. Those who are giving answers there. Yes, the wall was being whitewashed by them yesterday. Fifth, I have invited you, Bunny. Pulkit, you change your name. When? You have been invited by me. Okay? Has, have, अगर है तो has, have ही रहेगा. Was, were है तो was, were ही रहेगा. ठीक है? So it is you have been invited. क्या? ये have किस में? Have shows present ना? ठीक है? And invited is third form of the verb. According to the rule, we need third form of the verb always in passive voice. तो वो हमारा काम तो easy हो गया था. See, ये जो होते हैं ना perfect tenses, they are very simple. इसमें सिर्फ been add करना, बाकी सब कुछ हुआ पड़ा है. Yes, Avni, you can skip by me. Here in this, you can skip by me. ठीक है? Subject is obvious, so you can skip. Paramjeet, next. My sister had eaten all the apples. Paramjeet, so many Paramjeets in my class. Wait, all the apples had been or have? HAD had? Yes. All the apples had been eaten by my sister. Okay? Had been eaten by my sister. Correct. Those who have given the answers here. Shreya. Harsaj, you are not giving any answer. Why? Stand up, Harsaj. The students will decorate the clay pots. See, this sentence is very simple. हाँ. Will है तो हम will ही use करेंगे. The clay pots. Akshima, correct answer. Hardik, this time Hardik, चलो. I'll write more sentences, don't worry. The clay pots will be decorated by the students. Okay. No, you can write. Otherwise, if you want to. Okay, I can do it. Shreya. It can be done by me. No, it can be done by me. No need to change anything else. She may drive the car. Pulkit. Driven. Okay? It is the car. The car may be driven. May be driven. The third form is driven. The car may be driven by her. Karan, yes. Seventh is the clay pots will be decorated by the students. Avni, your answer is correct. Now, 10th. Priya would sing a song. Would be Avni, correct answer. Akshima, correct. Mehak, correct. A song would be sung by Priya. Okay, no need to change it into will or anything. Last, discipline and practice build confidence. Confidence is built, B-U-I-L-T, built by discipline and practice. Done? More sentences? Sure. Now be careful about the tenses. If was were, kahan gaya? If was were is used, you have to use was were again. Okay? Has have means has have only. उसे नहीं उड़ा देना, ठीक है? Angel, last which one? Angel, this last or that last? Anvi, you tell me the answer. Why don't you tell me the answer for last 11th? Let me see if your answer is correct. Karan, you also tell me the answer for it. I can do it. Yes, Anvay, correct answer. Karan, you just try for this 8. I can do it. What are you going to write? Just try, then I'll correct you. Yes, Yashika, your answer is correct. 8. Now, Karan, no need to change the models. Okay? Can to could, will to would. If can is written in voice, you have to write the same model. So it is, it can be done by me. Okay? Chalo. Tomorrow we'll start narration. Because narration भी थोड़ी सी मिलती जुलती है. Or you want to start something else. You want a gap between narration and voice. You just tell, I'll do accordingly. Sure? Narration फिर confuse मत हो जाना. Chalo, start. Start. Nouns. बिल्कुल. Oh. Add had here. Chalo, leave. That's only 5 this time. You have already decided कि मैं last बोलूंगा. Okay, Manasv. Correct, Manas. No, Karan, it is voice. Voice. Narration का simple. Whenever you will get the answers or sorry questions related to narration, quotation marks होगी उसमें. Okay, first, the boy killed the spider. Manasv has already given the answer. Paramjeet. The spider was killed by the boy. This is the answer of Manasv and Paramjeet. Paramjeet. And Mehak. it is only spider. One है ना? Yes. So the spider was killed by the boy. The sudden noise frightened the dog. Hardik. Shreya. The dog was frightened by the Arey, wait. Okay, wait. Sir, so the dog was frightened by the sudden noise. Pulkit, next yours. Hanji Pulkit. Very good. Let me see their answers also. Smoking in the kitchen is not permitted. Okay. Smoking in the kitchen is not permitted by us. Not compulsory to write by us. No. In the kitchen, smoking is not permitted. This is not right. Smoking in the kitchen is not permitted. I have sold my old car. Hanji Bani. My old car have been HAVE. Has been sold by me, or if you skip me, still it is okay. My old car has been sold. Last, the boy. Ye Hardik. This time Hardik. Hanji Hardik. A kite is being made by the boy. Correct. Correct answer. Anvay, correct. This is also correct. Fourth answer. I have sold my old car. क्या आना चाहिए? My old car has been sold. Don't write by me. Have का नहीं, अब my old car singular हो गया, ठीक है? Otherwise I के साथ we use plural verbs ना, have वगैरह, we don't use has. तो जब ये my old car आएगा तो have तो बनेगा ही नहीं. Yes, Yashika will be out of 50 marks. Tanushka, the boy is making a kite. A kite is being made by the boy.